Hiya, today we're going to make cheese, red onion and chilli toast, and this is what you need. A red onion, a green chilli because they're not as hot but they're really good. We've got some cheddar cheese here, and we've also got some red Leicester to try as well. Just your normal butter, because you've always got to put butter on cheese on toast, and some white bread. Okay, so we'll prepare it and get back to you. Right, so I've sliced your red onion with a tomato knife. You need to use it, cut it really finely, you don't want it quite thick. Then we're just going to put a toast underneath. Do it on one side, and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, so we've lightly toasted it on one side like that, and then whop it over. Get your butter on. And we're going to do one with cheddar and one with red Leicester. And maybe the red Leicester with the red onion will go together better, who knows. Two reds. You can do these taste as well really good on toasties. If you've got your old toasty maker, get it out. You've got one, haven't you?
I certainly have.
Yeah, I have as well. You forget about them, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, now we'll whop some cheese on. It's better off when you grate it because it sits better on the thing.
One of each, is it?
I'm going to do one of each, yeah. So let's just whop some of this on as well. Or I suppose you could combine it and then it's like a two cheese thing, yeah.
Could try that.
I'll do that as well, but we're going to try them separately and see which is the best, aren't we? Don't over onion it. Get the thinner slices, pop them on. And then you're going to cut your chilli and put your chilli on as well. So let's have a look. You're better off to cut your chilli with scissors. And then you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. Don't use the red ones because they're too hot. And you'll take all the flavour away. Right, let's get rid of that end bit. Now snip it where you want. Don't cut it too thick. You like a lot of chilli, don't you?
Fair bit, not too much.
You want to be able to taste the cheese as well, but yeah, so we're putting about maybe 6. If they don't like chilli a lot, then don't put a lot on, just put a few bits on. Right, I'm just going to whop them back under the grill. And then we're going to decide which is the nicest taste. Okay. So just toast it lightly till it's bubbling and then it should be done. Okay.
Yep.
Right, so we've done them. Don't overburn them or anything, do them like that and then they're done. And we were thinking as well, any cheese that you've got, put it on. As long as it's not feta or goat's cheese, anything that will melt, mix them in. Why not? Okay, and we'll tell you which we think is the best flavour. Okay. Yeah, we thought the mature cheddar slightly had the edge, and probably because it's the strength of the cheese, but they were both good. Okay.